Y'all about to see is not real. It is fake. Now it's real, but it's my first day in the gym, man. I can't judge me because I don't see y'all doing it.
Happy New Year! We back at it again with another episode. It's Ernesto, and we tapped in with Rashad at Muscle Ups. Right now, we working on our chest and our back. Do your homework on a big back bastard. What is a big back bastard? You're a big back bastard, and I don't love that for you. So we gonna get you right. So let's get into this workout. First, we started off with the pull-ups. This right here is definitely going to help get rid of that back fat. Next, we're going to get into the bench. Oh, Rocky here too. This is going to help grow your chest out. Since we on chest, we're going to keep growing our chest out with some chest press. It's easier than it looks, but it's not.
Oh, keep going. Keep going. Don't be a small fry. Yo, this is not.
Then we're working on our lat pull downs. These are going to help with your back as well. And every workout, we gotta finish it off with some ab workout. Right now we're doing leg kicks with a weighted ball. This is hard as hell.
How good it looks. Yeah. 15. Small fry.
Go follow my boy Instagram for more videos. That was episode 3. I might join for episode 4, man. I'm feeling good, body feeling right, body feeling tight. I'm still sore from another day, but yeah, I tap in, man.